All right, good morning on this Sunday. Hope your weekend is going well. It's hard really not for it to go well given what we went through this past week and how nice the weather's been so far this weekend. And today's going to be even better than yesterday, I believe. We're going to have more sunshine out there. The breeze will be out there, but not quite as breezy as what we were yesterday. And our temperatures are going to be warmer than what we saw yesterday afternoon. So overall, a great end of the weekend. Get outside and enjoy it if you can. I do have rain returning to our forecast as we head through the upcoming week. So we'll talk more about that coming up in a minute. In the meantime, Fort Worth sitting at 40 degrees. Nothing but sunshine there. Same thing over downtown Dallas where it's a few degrees warmer at 43. Obviously warrants the jacket as you step out the door, but maybe not quite the heavy winter parka that you needed a little bit earlier this week. We are dealing with a little bit of patchy fog here or there. It's dense in a couple locations. You can see less than a half a mile visibility from Bowie to Gainesville to Greenville. Denton was less than a mile visibility earlier, now back up to 2 miles. Same thing in McKinney, now up to 3 miles. So it's patchy fog out there, and it'll get out of here in the next hour or two. And so if you're driving out and about this morning, just be aware you may run into a spot of dense fog, but obviously it's not freezing fog. It's nothing that's really going to affect you except for your visibility just briefly if you are driving through it. Later on today, nothing but sunshine, no fog. Highs will be 60 or above. In fact, about 65 to 66 from Dallas to Fort Worth. A return to above normal temperatures, and there may be even a few places out to the west and southwest that try and hit 70 or above this afternoon as this warming trend definitely continues. As we head into tomorrow, for a lot of you, it might be back to school after a nice break, obviously, over the winter weather that we had last week. Some of you may have had a delayed start on Friday, and you did go back to school, but there were cancellations again on Friday. So it's the first day back to school potentially for a lot of you, and it'll be a pretty mild day. 51 in the morning, 68 during the afternoon. The breeze will definitely be stronger tomorrow, and there'll be a lot more cloud cover out there during the day tomorrow than what we're going to see today. But you don't have to worry about dodging any showers or storms tomorrow. You do on Tuesday, though. So tomorrow's quiet. There's a good deal of cloud cover out there. Here comes our next front. Out ahead of it, showers and storms will start to get going during the day on Tuesday. Tuesday just looks to be one of those days where it's just on and off rain, maybe some thunderstorms here or there, but I don't really have severe weather in our forecast. That's good news. So there's 7 o'clock on Tuesday. You can see that rain will continue, maybe even into Tuesday night, but by Wednesday morning, most of it should be moving off to the east. There might be a few lingering showers out there first thing on Wednesday, especially across our eastern areas, but Wednesday afternoon and evening do look dry. Severe weather threat, not in North Texas, and even in where it's located, it's only a 1 on a scale of 5. It's kind of down near Austin to Houston, so not concerned with severe weather for us, not concerned with winter weather for us. Just looks like a good soaking rain that we continue to need. About 1 inch to 1.5 inches across most of the area, maybe a little lower totals out to the west. Potentially a little higher totals off to the east and in the northeast, where it could even be a few places that eclipse 2 inches of rain with this upcoming event. So once again, just continues to be rain that we absolutely need. Hopefully can help fill up some of our lakes and continue to not have drought conditions creep back into North Texas. Not a huge cool down with that front. We go from 64 on Tuesday to 57 on Wednesday, back up to 62 on Thursday. Then kind of a stronger push of cooler air arrives. 52 for the high on Friday, 54 next Saturday, but then it's quickly back up into the 60s late next weekend and into the following week. So no Arctic blasts anytime soon.